Wow, it's lovely having you in class again this morning. Like we did the other time, we'll actually look at simple equations, but this time around we're taking it a bit further. We're looking at the subtopic, word problems leading to simple equations. Word problems leading to simple equations. And in our learning objectives, we want to see how we can define the word problems. Then, once you translate word problems into algebraic sentences, then lastly, we want to solve word problems leading to simple equations. Word problems leading to simple equations. The first thing is, what is a word problem? I know some of us must have come across this from primary school. A word problem is a mathematical exercise. Take note, a mathematical exercise or problem where significant background information on the problem is presented in ordinary language that you are used to rather than in mathematical notation. Okay, instead of using mathematical notation, we'll be using ordinary languages that students are used to. Now, translation of word problems. To be able to solve word problems involving simple equations, one should be able to translate. Take note of the word translate or interpret the word problems into algebraic sentences. That's the first thing. Ability to translate. Now let's take some examples on the translation of word problems involving equations. The question says, translate the following into algebraic sentence. The first one says, if 8 is added to a number, we don't know the number. I will say let the number be x. If 8 is added to x, that means s plus 8. The result simply means equal to is 18. The question now is find x, but they're not asking us to solve, just translate. Ability to translate will make the work easier for you to solve. Look at the B. Tries a number divided by 2 results in 10 less than the number. Tries a number. Let the number, we don't know the number, just tell the teacher or solve and say let the number be, let's use W. Tries a number means 3 times W, and that will give me 3W. Tries a number divided by 2. When you divide by 2, that is divided by 2. Results in means equals to 10 less than the number. Don't forget we say let the number be W. 10 less than the number means 10 less than W, which means W minus 10. I've succeeded in translating this word problem into algebraic sentences. Well, let's move on. We're going proper to the problem now. Examples on word problems leading to simple equations. Since you know how to translate, so this won't pose any problem to you. I'm just trusting God. Now let's look at A. I think of a number. Do you know the number? No, we don't. But I say let the number be, let's call it S. I think of a number, let the number be S. I then multiply this number by 5. That means 5 times S will give me 5x. What other thing? The result that means the result is 8 plus twice the original number. That means 5s. The result of 5s is 8 plus, just follow the storyline, twice the original number. The original number is x. That means 5 twice. It means 3 rather. 3x. 3x, the original number. The question now is, what is the number? Now I can use collect like terms. That means bring 3s to conjoin 5s. I have 5s minus 3s equal to 8. Definitely 5s minus 3s is 2s equal to 8. Divide both sides by 2. My s therefore will give me 4. Now let's try our hands on the last one. The last one, let's be, it says a certain number is added to 9. I don't know the number. I will tell the examiner, let the number be, let's call it y. A certain number is added to 9. That means s plus 9. Okay? The result means e equals to, the result is 5 minus the same number. Don't forget the same number is y. That is 5 minus y. A certain number is added to 9. That is it. The result is 5 minus the same number. Minus the same number. Okay, here is y. Don't take note, it's not s. Okay, let's collect like terms. Bring minus y across the quality side, becomes plus. I have y plus y equal to 5. Take my plus 9, becomes this. Y plus y is 2y. 5 minus 9, don't forget it's minus 4. Divide both sides by 2. The answer therefore becomes y equal to minus 2. Don't forget the minus must be there because I have minus 4 divided by 2. This gives us a clear explanation on how to solve equations, simple equations, using the balancing method. I wish you all the best. Do have a wonderful day. And don't forget to do your work, the assignment in the Google Classroom. Turn it in. And I wish you all the best. Have a nice day. See you.